So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be styling this Style Icon wig. This wig is 28 inches, it's like a blonde ombre colour. It's got a 6-inch parting. It comes with fake eyelashes and 2 free wig caps. So I'm starting off by applying a wig cap onto my own head. This already has some foundation on it from before. And then I'm just using the Got To Be freeze spray and just spraying that all around the perimeter of my head. I'm then flattening this down with a toothbrush. This just helps to lay it flat onto my head and also melts it a little bit better. And then just blowing this down with a blow dryer. I'm then taking the Sally Hansen airbrush legs foundation thing and just going all over my head with the kabuki brush. And then I'm just tinting the lace with the same product. So next I'm just going to cut the wig cap. It's always important to do not a straight line, but try to go like raggedy line. This helps it to blend better and look more natural. I'm going back in with the Got To Be freeze spray and then using the end of the toothbrush to flatten this down to help melt the lace into my head. And you want to use the blow dryer at the same time because it helps it to dry quicker. If you're just applying the wet Got To Be spray, then it does move the wig cap back. Next I'm just taking this water misting with a cotton pad and getting rid of any excess glue on my forehead. And then taking some pressed powder, which is the same as my skin colour, and going over the perimeter of the wig cap again. And then taking the Got To Be Ultra Glue gel and using the back of the toothbrush again and just pressing this into the wig cap. I'm then cutting the lace of the wig. And applying it to the front and then just brushing it upwards.
No games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games, play no games.
So to secure everything in place, I'm using a headscarf and I'm letting it sit on there for about 10 minutes. I'm then using some dry shampoo. Even though this wig is synthetic, it does not look shiny at all, but dry shampoo helps to combat any shine there may be. And then I'm just straightening it. I'm then going back in with the powder and going in my parting and also along my edges just to help everything blend better. So I really love this wig. I think it looks really natural. I did pluck it myself, so I feel like I did an okay job. I'm still learning, and yeah, this wig is really good. So I'm just showing you the different ways you can part it. So I turned it into a side parting and I actually really like this. I'm then showing you how to do a high ponytail. And then I'm just turning it into a bun, and I think this one is really cute. So this wig is really long. I wasn't sure whether I should cut it or not, but I thought I should just enjoy the length and make the most of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
That's my wife, Sharleen. Anything green, get bun, still do it like I've done it like half my life. Any sight of the goal, man, shoot.